Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making some homemade beauty products. I love making these types of videos. And today I'm making flaxseed hair gel, which is great as a pre-shampoo or a mask or even used as a gel. So I'm going to show you how to make it and how to use it. I'm also making the easiest face mask ever. We're using two simple ingredients that you might already have in your kitchen, honey and Greek yogurt. The lactic acid is great for the skin, and this can be used as a mask once a week before a big event. We're also going to be making a serum with some castor oil, olive oil, a little bit of frankincense. This is great for the face, the neck, the décolleté, the arms, or even the entire body. So we're having fun in the kitchen today making homemade beauty products. I have lots of videos like this on my channel. I'll put together a playlist, and if you like these videos, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and let's go ahead and jump right in. So for flaxseed hair gel, this is going to be my first time ever making this, which is kind of crazy because I feel like I've made a lot of homemade beauty products on my channel. But there's an ASMR girl that I follow on YouTube that mentioned that she made this, so I looked up a few different recipes. I'm using half a cup of flax seeds, 2 cups of water, and then I added 2 additional cups a little later, but I'm cooking that on medium heat for about 5 minutes. So I did set a timer. You're going to notice at about 5 minutes, it's going to start getting pretty thick, which is when I start to add the additional water and make sure that it's incorporated. And then you want to go ahead and strain this pretty quick because it does thicken up. So the goal, of course, is to separate the gel from the flax seeds, but this can be a little tricky with a traditional strainer. So I ended up using this mesh cloth or like a cheesecloth. This is pretty thick, but it did the trick. I actually had it in my homemade beauty supply kit. I previously used this to make poultice here on my channel, or poultice, which is it's more like an herbal remedy that I used, I think, in a previous spa video, but I had one of these left over. And the goal, of course, is to separate the gel from the flax seeds. It's a little bit of an interesting process and an interesting texture, to be honest, but you can save this in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. It has a really nice kind of like herbal, I would say like tea, like a black tea smell almost. So it's really nice and very pleasant, smelling at least. A little bit of an interesting texture, but like a gel. I'm going to use it as a pre-shampoo, which is, you can use it several different ways, but you can use it as a mask, keep it on for 30 minutes or so. You could put it on right before you shampoo, or you can use a little bit of it as a gel. Once I have fully saturated my hair, I'm just going to brush it through, and then I'm going to leave it on for a little bit and then jump in the shower. So this is a really nice pre-shower routine. Flaxseed is rich in vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, which can nourish dry, damaged hair. And the fatty acids have been touted for their ability to moisturize the hair as well. And it's also used for wavy hair, curly hair as a gel replacement. And it's something that you can make on a budget. It's more natural because it's just 2 ingredients, water and flax seeds. And so definitely something that I have been wanting to try. Next, I'm going to make a really easy face mask. I have been making this face mask since I was a teenager, actually probably a preteen. Rented this book from the library called Secrets of the Spa. I ended up buying the book and loved it. It had all of these homemade beauty recipes. And I remember just the simple recipe of honey and Greek yogurt. Queen Cleopatra of Egypt is said to have bathed in milk and honey to maintain her beauty. So milk, honey, and even oatmeal have been used for ages for beautifying routines. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which is a gentle exfoliant to the skin. I like to use yogurt because it's a little bit thicker, so I don't usually take like a milk bath, but I like to put a little bit of yogurt, a little bit of honey, and you can even ground up some oatmeal as well and put that in there. I didn't do that today, but I like to put that on my face, my neck, my décolleté, my arms, and just let that sit until it's clear. At that point, it really has softened the skin. It gives the skin a really glowy appearance, and it's something that I forget about, but every time I use it, I really do notice a difference. So I have the flaxseed gel in my hair as a pre-shampoo. I'm going to use the mask, and I'm going to let that sit for a little bit, and then I'm going to wash it out in the shower. Next, I'm going to make a simple serum at home using castor oil, olive oil, and frankincense. We are definitely touching on some of these ancient beauty rituals. Castor oil is moisturizing, anti-inflammatory, and has antibacterial properties. It is used for the skin, for the hair. People rub it on their belly. I mean, there are lots of uses for castor oil, so I'm going to do a combination of castor oil. It's a bit thick for my preference. I like to mix it with some olive oil for this serum, and then a few drops of frankincense, which is also great for anti-aging for the skin, but you do need to make sure that you have a carrier oil when using essential oils and you never apply them directly to your skin. So just a few drops is all you need. Shake it up, and I'm going to use this on my face, on my neck, again, my décolleté and my arms. Big fan of using body oil, even as simple as olive oil or coconut oil, all over my body. I'm going to start using frankincense and castor oil together because I have heard great things. So I'll keep you posted on what I think about this combination. Getting creative in the kitchen and making homemade beauty products is a great way to save money because beauty products can definitely be expensive, but also to know what's going on your skin, to keep it minimal with the ingredients, and to tap into some of these ancient beauty practices that have been used for ages and ages for beauty routines all over the world. I love doing that. I also love growing herbs in my garden to create homemade skincare as well. And as much as I love trying all the different beauty products and routines, and I worked in the beauty industry for a time of my life and really enjoyed that part of it, I also really love making homemade beauty supplies as well and beauty products. I'm using just a little bit more of the gel in my hair, and I'm going to braid my hair and just let it dry naturally today. The gel, you might have to use a little bit more or less depending on your hair type, but it really does make your hair shiny and soft, and so I am definitely going to be using this more consistently in my routine, and I hope you'll try it too and let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of these homemade beauty products in the comments below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye!